anaingia juu.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun.
So guys, we are grateful not everything is going my way this year, but guys, hii shopping yetu nimefanya like God is great and the year is going to turn around soon, like yeah. Hey guys, so welcome to another vlog. So this is another moving vlog, yeah, where I'll be settling down. So I went to the salon today. My hair was looking so bad in the morning, so I decided just to go and have it washed and undone. So I went to do some shopping because I have not done shopping in this house for like 3 months because I was preparing for moving, and moving is not cheap, but we have moved. Yes.
Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day. I just woke up, so I want to clean the house, but before that I'm having some breakfast. I'm having some watermelon and catching up on Ashley Kenya. I like watching her vlogs, they're so nice. So after that I'll clean the house and I'll go to the market. Yesterday I did some shopping, but I did not get like groceries. And guys, after buying things today, I don't want to buy anything else. I'll survive on this till end month. I need to be having money just for fare, yeah, and maybe when I want to treat myself because life is not so hard, yeah.
So unaenda kumuonyesha like, oh my god, I got this, nini, you're so happy.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. I don't know.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
So guys, let's go to the market, stock up for the month. Guys, I swear after this I'm not buying anything else. Takula whatever we are buying today till the month ends.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
So this is everything that I got from the market, guys. To get out of the house, we breathe, you spend 1 million. So everything here costs around 600, 1200. So I have these nyanyas. They were for 100 bob. This was also for 100 bob. Vitunguu zimeshuka kidogo, but they're still so expensive. Like this is for 170 bob. So 1 kg is 150 bob. So yeah, this was 210. And then we have the potatoes. This went for 120 bob. I can say this is cheaper compared to where I used to do my shopping. We have some bananas. This was for 40 bob. This was for 100 bob. Then we have meat, half kg, 650. So what I can say about this market, guys, when you compare the prices of this market and the other market that I used to live at, there's a very big difference. Things here are quite expensive, guys. Imagine I haven't gotten garlic because they're selling 1 garlic in the market, not kwa kibanda, for 40 bob. So in the evening I'll go walk around and see if I can get garlic that is more affordable. Guys, I need to wash my hair again. Anyway, so yeah, I'll put the things away later. Now let me chill, yeah, edit a video, catch up with other YouTubers. Like, guys, I'm feeling like I'm myself again, like I can do this YouTube thing again. So yeah, guys, the mother who sold me mangoes is so motherly. Imagine she gave me this for free. I'll be buying from her just because she's nice. Sometimes being nice to people counts. So let me continue catching up with YouTubers. Yeah, I guess imagine when I'm stressed and I'm not posting, I usually can't like watch other YouTubers because I usually feel like there's something wrong I'm doing with my life. But we are back.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know.
So guys, these are the products that I use on my hair. We have a conditioner from Sanura Beauty, hooked up by my sister. Shampoo, this shampoo is really nice. Nakaribia kuisha, like what? Yeah, but from Sanura Beauty, but from Sanura also. Yeah, shea butter, leave-in treatment. So let me go to the salon. Hey guys, good evening. So I just woke up. It's at 5 in the evening. I was working during the night, so I slept during the day. That is why I have my face puffy and also my hair looking like this. But guys, I want to try making bento cakes. Yeah, so I ordered. We have like fundi wa jua kali around, so I ordered for the baking tins, the 4-inch baking tins, so that I make some bento cakes. Yeah, and I want to go pick them up. I hope they're ready, but if they're not ready, I'll have to wait for them to be ready. So yeah, let's go.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
So guys, we have a doorbell.
Did I ever ask you to take me?
My dinner, it's so nice guys. You should try the recipe. Came home from work and I decided to go out for a little road trip. So we are at Limuru. So yeah, we have this guy telling us about stories about this place. You remember the Pasa Pasa festival? Yeah, so they say it was really bad and there were a lot of things happening around here, so they kind of don't allow people to come and drink from here. But yeah, as we just came to see the tea plantations and take some cute pictures. Yeah.
Anaingia juu na hizo mnachuna every day without to stop every day hata sai mwaka ishi kazi ya kuongea hata leo kunao si wamechuna hapa hapo kwa nyuma walikuwa jana walikuwa lakini sasa amekuwa tingo tinga sinapita kusikizuna zaidi kwa wana hawa Nachuna mahali watu wanachuna 80 siku mzima.
Alafu huku nani wanaingia aje? Na hakuna tubebe.
Hii ni barabara. Hapa hii barabara. Unapita hivi unaenda hivi. Unachuna hii na hii. Na ile na uchuna. Halo.
Lakini lazima uvae very heavy clothes. Kuna manyoka, kuna nini?
Hebu takifu hivyo kimoja lakini sio mimi.
Oh.
So we came to this place on Limuru Road. It's giving the vibes of Bridgerton, the British old stuff. I don't know what it's called, like vintage. Let me show you around. It's so beautiful, guys. Like, oh my god, today was so good.
So sana watu wakikuja wanakaa
kuna weekend, kuna Saturday. Na tuseme ni chama yangu.
It's so beautiful. It's giving the Bridgerton vibe. It's me, guys. Then there's an extra room. This is the master bedroom. Then we have the children's room. Another room. I like the vibes here. Yeah. So guys, in the last video I was complaining about how I moved, I spent so much money and I got broke, so I sold my shea butter. But then this is my shea butter, you should order from me. Yeah, and I got a few coins, so I used the money to buy some bulbs. Let's imagine in this house you're having chandeliers, so these are pink chandeliers. Let's fix them with you guys, then you'll see how my house will turn out. It's so beautiful.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Lights, then but we can test it first. Oh my god! So we switch off. Oh my god! It was, yeah. God, so cute! I will switch off the kitchen. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Celebration yako. Celebration dance yako ni.
We're gone for a year, only know like once.
So guys, I want to finish up decorating the bento cake, so I put up a Valentine's offer. I know I'm late, but I was trying to like adjust to live into this place. Nimekuwa nikipotea, nikikuja usiku, the town looks different, but I'm trying to like familiarize myself with everything. Yesterday I walked around, got some eggs, yeah, and good to like see where I live. So right now let me decorate the bento cakes. Guys, I hope you get to buy from me, support this small business so that we continue growing on here. And guys, I'm seeing a lot of growth on my YouTube and I appreciate a lot. I hope I keep on growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. So you watch, share this video with your friends, yeah.